Hey there, welcome back to this edition of Sunday Range Day. If you all have seen it, we've did a video. It launched yesterday, as a matter of fact. It is the Wild Bill Hickok edition Heritage from Talo. Yes, as shocking as that was for me to find out that Talo actually does Heritage revolvers, and I found that very interesting. But it's still new in the box here. We're going to open it up and show you real quick. We're not going to stay too long for that because you've already seen the unboxing video. If you haven't, it'll be linked down below in the pinned comment. So you can jump over and check out the unboxing and I'll show you the specs on it. But right off the bat, let's make sure, as we always say, that the pistol is indeed clear. Okay. Get the box out of the way. Get the bag off of it again. And you can see it is clear. It has the safety disc in it. Now, we'll really make it clear, okay? And what about that? How about that? Now it is really clear. We've got rid of the disc, and you can see every cylinder is empty now, and this being the engraved cylinder, you can see, is the 22 Magnum cylinder on it. So we'll go through the motions on this first with this, and we'll even... Oh, it's not new anymore.
You tore the tag off.
What about that? The newness is gone at that moment.
Well, you're going to have to give me just a second, because where you had your hand up there, it is not wanting to focus. And I got to get a good, clear picture of this.
Not want to focus at all? Well, we'll carry on. How about that? But we're going to put it through its paces on a target here. We'll start with the cylinder that was provided, the Magnum in it, and it does come factory with the long rifle. We'll switch over halfway through and see what kind of accuracy we get with it as well. So let's see what old Wild Bill has in store for our subscribers and channel members and all you fine good people out there today. Okay, the very first shots out of the Wild Bill Heritage here, and this is the 22 Magnum. On the target out there, we'll go for the top target, okay, the big top target on the way they're set up on that diamond. We'll shoot the top one first. I'm not expecting much with the Magnum. I've never did particularly well with the Magnum out of the Heritage, but we hopefully will be proved wrong. So here we go. 6 rounds of 22 WMR. Top target, and here we go. I do believe that was 6. We'll be sure anyway. Now these being 22 Magnum, they usually are a little harder to get out too. So, yeah, never mind. They're easy to get out. So there's that. Okay, pistol is clear now. Let's go down and check that target out. Okay. Like I said, I've never been decent with 22 Magnums out of the Heritages, and those were the first shots. Good grouping, just a mile from that target. We got one in there.
You got one?
Yeah, we'll take that one, I guess, and smile. Let's switch over to the 22 long rifle and see what it's got. Okay, this go around, we've switched to the factory long rifle cylinder, and we're going to go with the Federal Auto Match this time, just to see roughly where the long rifle will hit. We've got one in the top target, and I tell you what, let's go ahead and shoot at the top target again. It's only got one in it to the left. We know where that's at. Let's see if there's any difference in that in the long rifle. Put my ears on and we're off to the races here. Okay, I'm thinking that was 6. Let's be sure. Yeah. Let's get rid of these, make the gun clear. And hopefully, old Wild Bill gave us a little accuracy with the long rifle this time. Got us clear now. Let's check our target. Alrighty, much better, much better. Good deal. That's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, because that was our original one from the 22 WMR on the line there. So there's our grouping. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now let's
Almost a cookie shot.
say what now?
I said almost a cookie shot.
Almost scraping it, but didn't even kick up a crumb, did we? We'll try on this one at 3 o'clock there and see what we can do with that one now. All right, this go around, we're going to go the 22 Golden Bullet from Remington. These, as usual, are the solid. They're not hollow points. These are solid rounds. So let's see what kind of performance they give out of the Heritage Wild Bill. And we're shooting that target on the right at 3 o'clock. Take my safety off, and we'll be ready to go. That target's quite a bit smaller. That's for sure. And that was all 6. Let's make the pistol clear now. And safe, as you can see. Let's go check our target. Yeah, there we go. Decent grouping. You know, those golden bullets, those solids have been surprising me here lately. I don't know if I've got a hold of a good lot of them or what, but they do quite a bit better than some of the others. Let's move on to the next. Okay, this go around, we got the Federal Punch. I'll try 6 of those on that target on the left side this time. Now the pistol's clear, as you can see, and we'll go check that target out. There we go. What better group? We got 2 touching there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't know where the 6th one went. I may have pulled on that one, but there's that. Got one more to try. Let's knock it out. All right, this go around, we're going to try the Remington Viper 22. It's an old box of shells, and see what these will do on that target, the last target. And thank goodness for Glove Station gloves. I'm sorry I have to shamelessly plug them, but it is in the 30s here today, and they are a blessing, aren't they, Miss Wayne?
Yeah, I'm even working a camera with one.
Yeah, but they are heaven when you've got them on, I'll tell you that. Okay, let's move along and see if we can hit the bull out of that target. We're still cookieless. We got to do something about this, you know? Here we go. Remington Viper. And that was a prime example from me to you all of the efficiency of the Heritage safety. So safety is off. Now let's try that again. kind of threw me off a little bit there. Between that and Miss Wayne's laughter, happens to the best of us, don't it?
I can't help it though.
We keep it real though, don't we? Okay, chamber is empty now. The cylinder is clear. Let's put the safety back on again and go check our target. And there we go with the bottom one. So close, but no cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just inching up. Let's try to hit something fun. They have returned. The vegetarian beans. Let's see if we can knock it out. Okay, we're back again, and we're loaded up with the 22 Viper. It seemed to be more square on than any other. We'll see what happens, but we're going to attempt to hit the vegetarian beans with the 22 Viper. Take the safety off, and we'll be ready to roll. Hopefully, I can hit this thing. That was interesting. Okay, we'll make the gun safe and we'll check our target. Let's see what we did here. A little to the right and out the back. Let's see if we can get one more shot on these beans here. Okay, second attempt on the vegetarian beans with the Remington Vipers out of the Wild Bill Hickok. Again. And we make the gun safe and we'll go check our target. Okay, let's see what the second shot gave us. Oh, so I find it interesting. That's obviously the exit hole there. But it's interesting to see. Well, I always skin the side. I see what's happened. You hit here and came out there. So we should let's try one more time. Okay, this is the third time at the same can of beans. We're hitting it. I'm just skinning the side of it a little. Let's see if I can square up a bit. There we go. Hopefully. Now, let's make the gun safe and we'll check it out. Okay.
You flipped it on its top.
Yeah, that was a good low shot there, wasn't it? We hit it though. That's good enough. There you have it, guys. That is the Wild Bill Hickok from Heritage. In the that's the like we said, the Talo edition on that one. We tried the 22 Magnum. We tried the long rifle. Long rifle seemed to do a lot better. A little practice probably make perfect, because these little guns, they never quit. Gotta love a Heritage. If you watched any of my videos, I'm sure you know about a Heritage. They seem to never fail. And for purposes of handling, again, we gotta ensure that it is clear. There's nothing in the cylinders. It is safe for handling. Yeah, it's even better when you remember to take the safety off, right, Miss Wayne? Oh gosh, you gotta love these single actions though. They make for a good fun range day. Uh, Good, efficient, and yes, definitely don't break the bank shooting them either. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next Sunday for another. Take care, guys.